back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming your living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're stepping outside to talk about something many homeowners dream of, a stunning lawn that practically takes care of itself. If the thought of endless mowing, weeding, and watering fills you with dread, then you've come to the right place. We're diving into the wonderful world of low-maintenance lawn landscaping design, where beauty meets ultimate convenience. Get ready to reclaim your weekends and still have the most envy-worthy yard on the block. So, what exactly do we mean when we talk about low-maintenance lawn landscaping design? It's more than just cutting down on chores. It's a strategic approach to designing your outdoor space that minimizes the time, effort, and resources required to keep it looking fantastic. This involves making smart choices about everything from your ground cover and plant selections to hardscaping elements and irrigation systems. The goal is to create a harmonious, aesthetically pleasing environment that allows you to spend more time enjoying your yard and less time working on it. The benefits of opting for a low-maintenance lawn are truly compelling, and they extend far beyond just saving time. Firstly, and perhaps most obviously, it's a huge time saver. Imagine reclaiming those precious weekend hours you once spent on yard work. Secondly, it's often more cost-effective in the long run. Less watering can significantly reduce your utility bills, and fewer chemicals mean less money spent on fertilizers and pesticides. Thirdly, it's environmentally friendly. Reduced water usage and chemical application are a win for the planet. And finally, it offers peace of mind. Knowing your yard will look great with minimal intervention frees you up to truly relax and enjoy your outdoor living space, whether you're hosting a barbecue or simply unwinding with a book. Now, let's explore some of the best low-maintenance lawn landscaping ideas that can turn your vision into a reality. We've got some incredible examples to inspire you. One, defined garden beds with mulch. For those who prefer some natural grass, defining your garden beds with clean edges and generous layers of mulch is key. This elegant front yard features a well-maintained lawn bordered by a beautifully curved garden bed outlined with natural stones. The dark mulch suppresses weeds, retains moisture, and provides a neat backdrop for the diverse selection of shrubs, grasses, and flowering plants. Choosing native plants or those suited to your climate within these beds will further reduce your watering and care needs, creating a balanced and beautiful low-maintenance landscape. 2. Artificial turf. Our first idea is a game-changer for ultimate low-maintenance, artificial turf. As you can see in this stunning backyard, artificial grass provides a consistently lush, vibrant green lawn without any of the watering, mowing, or fertilizing required by natural grass. It's perfect for creating a clean, modern aesthetic and is incredibly durable, making it ideal for high-traffic areas or small urban spaces. Paired here with sleek raised planter beds and a modern wooden fence, it creates a chic and practically zero-maintenance oasis. 3. Naturalistic and abundant planting. Lastly, don't shy away from abundant planting, as long as it's the right kind. A naturalistic design, often seen in cottage gardens, can be surprisingly low maintenance if you choose plants that are native to your region or well adapted to your climate. These plants will thrive with minimal intervention, creating a rich tapestry of color and texture as seen here. A small patch of natural lawn can act as a viewing area, allowing the larger, self-sustaining garden beds to do most of the work for you. 4. Strategic combinations. You don't have to choose just one element. This image beautifully illustrates how combining artificial grass, gravel, and a wooden deck can create a highly functional and low-maintenance outdoor living area. The artificial turf provides a soft, green space, while the gravel path with stepping stones offers an easy-to-maintain walkway. The deck extends the living area outdoors, providing a perfect spot for dining or lounging. This layered approach adds visual depth and maximizes usability while keeping maintenance to a minimum. 5. Pavers and turf grid. For a truly unique and architectural look, consider a grid pattern of pavers interspersed with artificial turf. This clever design creates a striking visual effect while drastically reducing the amount of grass to maintain. The pavers offer stable walking surfaces, and the small sections of turf soften the hardscaping. Surrounded by gravel, this design is incredibly neat, modern, and requires virtually no upkeep, making it ideal for urban patios or contemporary homes. 6. Drought-tolerant planting beds. If you love the look of lush foliage but want to reduce watering, focus on drought-tolerant planting beds. This tropical-inspired design showcases a stunning array of colorful bromeliads, agaves, and other low-water plants nestled within a mulched bed. These plants thrive with minimal irrigation once established and add incredible texture and color. Surrounding a traditional lawn, these beds offer a beautiful contrast and significantly reduce your overall garden maintenance without sacrificing visual impact. 7. Rock gardens and xeriscaping. Embrace the beauty of rock gardens and xeriscaping for a supremely low-maintenance landscape. In this example, the artificial turf provides a central green space, but the surrounding areas are transformed into visually rich rock gardens. Various sizes and colors of pebbles and stones create a textured perimeter, punctuated by drought-tolerant plants. This design minimizes water usage and eliminates the need for extensive weeding, offering a sustainable and beautiful alternative to traditional lawns. The winding stone path adds a natural, organic flow. 8. Curving flower beds with easy care perennials. Even a traditional lawn can be low maintenance with smart planting. Here, the key is the beautifully sculpted, curving flower beds filled with a riot of easy care perennials. By selecting plants that are well suited to your climate and require minimal deadheading or fuss, you can achieve this breathtaking visual impact without constant work. The substantial size of these beds also proportionally reduces the amount of lawn you need to maintain, allowing you to enjoy the vibrant colors and textures all season long. 9. Integrated lighting with low-maintenance plants. Even low-maintenance spaces can be stunning, especially at night. This design demonstrates how integrated lighting can elevate your landscape. Here, a crisp line of LED strip lighting borders the artificial turf, guiding the eye and adding a modern touch. The raised planter bed features a selection of easy care, architectural plants like ornamental grasses and palms, which are beautifully highlighted by upward-facing spotlights. This combination of minimal lawn and thoughtful lighting creates a sophisticated and inviting outdoor environment that shines day and night with minimal effort. 10. Gravel and hardscaping. Embracing gravel and other hardscaping elements is another fantastic way to reduce your lawn footprint. Here, a beautifully shaped artificial lawn is elegantly framed by a wide bed of light-colored gravel. This not only minimizes the area needing traditional lawn care but also adds textural interest and defines distinct zones within the landscape. Potted plants and small trees within the gravel areas add softness and natural beauty without demanding extensive upkeep. It's a clean, contemporary look that truly simplifies outdoor living. 11. Formal yet functional with strategic planting. This beautiful front yard demonstrates that low maintenance doesn't mean sacrificing a traditional, manicured look. Here, a neatly edged lawn provides a verdant carpet, while the surrounding beds are meticulously planned with slow-growing evergreens and shrubs that maintain their shape with minimal pruning. The pops of color come from container plants or well-chosen flowering perennials that are reliable performers. The focus is on structure and form, reducing the need for constant trimming and replanting, making it an elegant and relatively hands-off landscape. 12. Terraced rock gardens with minimal lawn. For homes with sloped yards, terraced rock gardens combined with a small lawn area offer a fantastic low-maintenance solution. This design utilizes natural stone walls to create distinct planting zones on a slope. Within these zones, a diverse array of drought-tolerant plants, succulents, and small conifers thrive with minimal watering and care. The lawn is kept to a manageable size, flowing gracefully around the contours of the landscape, while the terraced beds dramatically reduce the overall amount of grass to maintain, creating a captivating and sustainable garden. 13. Compact patio and turf oasis. Finally, for smaller spaces, this design perfectly illustrates how to create a highly functional and low-maintenance oasis. A compact area of artificial turf provides the feel of a lawn without the work. It gracefully flows into a circular paver patio, providing a dedicated space for relaxation or entertaining. The surrounding raised planter beds, featuring a smart blue accent wall, are filled with carefully selected low-maintenance plants and small shrubs. The horizontal wooden fence adds privacy and a modern aesthetic. Every element here is chosen to maximize enjoyment and minimize upkeep, proving that even the coziest of spaces can be stunning and stress-free. 14. Multi-level beauty with defined zones. This elaborate garden showcases how even a complex, multi-level landscape can be designed with low maintenance in mind. While it appears incredibly lush, the key is the careful definition of zones. The compact, neatly edged lawn provides a focal point, while the surrounding paver patio creates ample low-maintenance living space. The terraced beds, although vibrant with flowers, are likely filled with plants chosen for their hardiness and ability to thrive in specific conditions, requiring less fuss. A recirculating waterfall and stone fireplace add luxury and atmosphere without significant daily chores, proving that a truly beautiful and intricate garden can still be manageable with thoughtful planning. 15. Clean lines with full artificial turf. This image perfectly exemplifies a modern, minimalist approach to low-maintenance landscaping. The entire ground plane is covered in lush artificial turf, guaranteeing a perpetually perfect green lawn without any effort. The clean lines of the turf are complemented by precisely trimmed evergreen hedges, creating a crisp and elegant boundary. A strategically placed bed of bright yellow ornamental grasses provides a stunning splash of color and texture, breaking the green monotony without adding significant maintenance. This design is ideal for those seeking a highly polished look with almost zero upkeep. Now that you have some fantastic ideas, how do you ensure your low-maintenance lawn landscaping design looks absolutely beautiful? First, focus on hardscaping elements. Incorporate attractive patios, walkways, or gravel areas. These add structure and reduce the need for plant maintenance. Choose materials that complement your home's architecture. Second, strategic plant selection. Prioritize drought-tolerant, native plants, and slow-growing shrubs. Look for plants with interesting foliage, as this provides year-round appeal without relying solely on flowers. Consider evergreen options for consistent color. Third, use mulch generously. A thick layer of organic mulch in your plant beds helps suppress weeds, retain moisture, and regulate soil temperature, all while giving a neat, finished look. Fourth, incorporate outdoor lighting. As we saw earlier, strategic lighting can dramatically enhance the beauty of your low-maintenance landscape, especially after dusk. Fifth, add water features even small scale. A small, recirculating water feature can add soothing sounds and visual interest without significant maintenance. Sixth, container gardening. Use decorative pots and planters for annuals or plants that need more specific care. This allows you to easily change up your look or move plants as needed. Seventh, define edges. Crisp, clean edges between your lawn, whether artificial or natural, planting beds, and hardscaping create a polished and intentional look. Eighth, consider vertical elements. Tall, narrow shrubs, small trees, or even a living wall can add height and interest without taking up much ground space. Ninth, minimalist decor. Less is often more. Choose a few key pieces of outdoor decor, like a stylish bench or a large decorative planter, to complement your design without creating clutter. 10th, regular, but simple, tidying. While low maintenance, a quick tidy up every now and then, maybe a sweep of the patio or a quick prune of an overgrown branch, will keep your space looking pristine. Designing a low-maintenance lawn landscape isn't about sacrificing beauty for convenience, it's about making smart choices that enhance both. By incorporating elements like artificial turf, strategic hardscaping, and drought-tolerant plants, You can create a stunning outdoor space that reflects your style without demanding all your spare time. Imagine spending your weekends relaxing in your beautiful yard, instead of toiling away. It's an investment in both your home's aesthetics and your personal well-being. If you found these low-maintenance landscaping ideas inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more brilliant home and garden tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our new uploads. We love hearing from you, so share your favorite low-maintenance landscaping tips or questions in the comments below. What's your dream low-maintenance yard feature? Let us know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.